Good morning. I am heading to the airport, not because I'm going somewhere, but because my mom is going to be in town. So she's going to help me pack up a little bit, and there are obviously so many things that I wanted to do in Massachusetts, and I was hoping to do them in the 13 weeks that I was here, but I won't be doing those. I won't have the time to do those, and I wish I was so much happier, but I'm still kind of in a state of like really upset, sad, angry, defeated that this is happening still, but we're gonna enjoy Massachusetts a little bit, go around, and hopefully the weather will clear up because it's supposed to thunderstorm. It was absolutely beautiful the last couple of days, and now it's supposed to thunderstorm, so hopefully weather will get a little bit better, and hopefully we can do a lot of fun things and explore the rest of Massachusetts before I have to leave, which at this time I still don't have a job and I still don't know where I'm going yet. So I applied to a couple places and I hope that something comes up, but we will see and we will go from there. So I'll see you soon with my madre. We just had an amazing lunch, and now we're at the zoo and we're watching little duckies right now, and it is gorgeous. It's like 80 degrees out, and yeah, oh my gosh, the duck just jumped right in front of me. Anyways, that's our plan. Hopefully the zoo is super cute. It looks so adorable. So far, so good. We're going on a little boat tour to look at New Bedford, and we did this spontaneously, so hopefully it goes well. Hello, we just got back from our boat tour. It was, well, we went grocery shopping after the boat tour, and it was super nice. I don't know what else to say. You have any words? We're watching the sun go down. We're by the pool, eating a really good charcuterie board that we made, and we bought a lot of wine. So that's probably the rest of our evening. I'm exhausted. We took naps earlier. So we're probably gonna call it an early night, but other than that, the weather is beautiful. It's like what, still probably like 70 something degrees with a nice breeze. So far so good. In Plymouth, Massachusetts, and we are going to go see some whales today, and
maybe
it's a 99% chance that we'll see whales.
Where did you see 99%?
It was on the pamphlet.
99%?
99% chance that we'll see whales.
I bet you they hit that 1% a lot.
So we're definitely gonna see some whales today, and we're just gonna hang around here. We're gonna go get some food before we hop on the boat. We have seasickness medication for before we get on the boat as well. And there's like cute little shops and stuff, and we have this adorable little harbor in front of us. But yeah, that's our day, and I am so excited to see whales because I have never seen whales before. Have you seen whales before? Ever on a boat?
I don't think so.
We're both seeing whales for the first time today. So
because it's gonna tip our boat over.
Anyways, on that note, we're gonna go get some food, like I said, and go see some whales. Morning. We are on... Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. We are exploring Cape Cod today. We went to a little beach and it rained. Like after what? Like 45 minutes after we got there? Was it longer?
No, it was longer than an hour.
I read my book for a while, so I couldn't really tell the time. But we're doing that, and now we're in Chatham. I don't know, but we're gonna try to go find seals, get some food, and hopefully the rain will stay away for a little while. I think on the forecast it says like between 40 to like 70% all day. So hopefully we can stay out of the rain. Hopefully it becomes a little bit sunnier, but it doesn't really look like it will. So we'll hope for the best. We are 100% rained out right now, but the little downtown part was so cute. Was it not cute? And we haven't... Oh yeah, we do have chocolates. So good. We want to go see the seals, except it is literally almost... Nah, I wouldn't say downpouring anymore, but...
stopped.
No, it's still going. You can see it on my windshield. It's going a little bit, so hopefully it'll let up a little bit, and then we can go hopefully catch some seals at the lighthouse, which is like a really short walk away from here. But we're definitely putting on our sweatshirts because it feels cold here. But other than that, besides for the rain, everything else is great. Honestly, the rain's kind of pretty, and it kind of got the crowds away. So, small little victories. actually morning this time when I said good morning. It's my mom's last day in Massachusetts, and we're gonna spend it in Rhode Island, actually. We're gonna go to Rail Explorers, which is like a car pedal bike thing.
Roller coaster in the woods.
Yeah, it's a self-driving roller coaster, kind of. Self-fueled.
Bike roller coaster.
Bike roller coaster. It's the worst explanation ever.
They just opened one in Tennessee.
Yeah, so
Bike roller coaster.
we're trying the bike roller coaster in Rhode Island, and then we're gonna go get breakfast first. A good breakfast, because we haven't eaten breakfast since we've been here. We've just been like a lunch and dinner kind of thing, and
No
late
dinner.
night. No, just lunch and late night popcorn. So on that note, it is going to be beautiful today, like 80 something degrees. So we're super excited, and we're gonna spend it in the sun on a bike. We've had better ideas. Yeah, cheers. This candle's like
Appetizer.
this is our appetizer. So the train thing went really good, but now this is what we're doing, and then she has to go to the airport. So peace out.